Three.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you. So I'm very happy and very excited to be here this afternoon. And my name is Hannah Lee. And you know, I'm going to talk about the topic that might be interesting for you. So, but anyway, who owns camera in this classroom? Raise your hand, please. Okay, who likes taking picture every day? Good. And so, Megan, do you want to make money from your pictures? No, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would say that most of the people I know own a camera in one form or another. But the problem is that sometimes they don't find a way how to turn their photos become money. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to suggest a few quick tips how to make money from your photos. Okay, this is the first tips. Okay, so the first tips is shoot to sell. So ladies and gentlemen, don't think that your pictures need to be pretty to be sold. Instead, you have to make the picture that illustrates something. For instance, see this picture over here, shake hands pictures. Okay, shake hand picture has a universal concept, universal meaning that illustrate the friendship, understanding, business. So this is very appropriate to be sold. And the second one is you have to pick the picture that is has a meaning, has a message in it. So for example, this picture, you see it is taken by me last summer, and if you see this picture, it has a strong message, which is this guy have a deep condolence about the victim of the 9/11 memorials, 9/11 victims in the U.S. So two of these pictures like this is really valuable to be sold. But remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to sell your photos, make sure if there is someone face in it, you have to ask permissions first by giving a kind of form, like agreement form, to make him or her agree that her face or her face and herself will be to be sold from the photo itself. So the second tips is that learn basic photos editing. Ladies and gentlemen, please be familiar with the basic photos editing. So with this, you see before and after tightly cropping. You see one of the part of component of photos editing is cropping, and you will see how cropping have a big impact with the photos. You know, the first photos here hasn't been cropped, and this is after tightly cropping. You will see this photo doesn't have any meaning because it's just seen the leaves. But when you do crop over here, that become amazing photos. They tell an animal story over here. Okay, and also remember, one of the photographers said the most significant photos in any year is those who have a good crops. Okay, so the next tips is that make websites or join to stock photography agency to sell your photos. Well, I would say, and this is probably the most important part in my presentations today, because this tip you have already know how to make valuable photos, and then it comes to how